Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove lock from apps on iPhone on iOS 18. So let's get started. Now here I'm in my home screen, and if I try to open my Files application, as you can see it's requiring Face ID, and when the Face ID doesn't work, it requires passcode. So we need to scan our face or enter the passcode every time we need to enter this application. However, if you don't require the application to scan your face every time, then you should press and hold the application and then click on Don't Require Face ID. After this, your Face ID needs to be scanned one more time, and this time if you can't scan Face ID, you can enter your passcode again. So after that, the application will not require Face ID anymore. You can just tap and enter the application just like this. This method will work on all of the applications in your iPhone, not only the Files application. So guys, if you found this method helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.